orange chicken with sun-dried tomatoes. We've developed an interesting technique to render the fat from the skin of the chicken. Start with a cold frying pan. Put the chicken skin side down into the pan and then slowly heat up the pan. Season the other side of the chicken with brine grilled seasoning. Turn the pieces around. Season the browned side. When that is browned, we remove it to a plate. Add a bit of oil to the pan and some green onion seasoning to the onions. And the onions are stir-fried and steamed for a while, just with the lid closed, so they collapse. Add the crushed garlic, add the water, add the liquid chicken stock. Stir everything together. Strain out the sun-dried tomatoes, and we're only using half the pack. Put the pieces into the sauce and add 3 tablespoons of that lovely vinaigrette. It makes a huge difference. Cut the first orange into wedges, and the second orange, we zest the skin and squeeze that orange so that we have some fresh orange juice to add to the sauce. Now you can see that can only taste wonderful. Put the chicken back. Look at that. And you can pre-prepare to this stage. And into the oven. Now we're doing an orange gremolata here with parsley, chopped garlic and orange rind. Put that over the dish and serve it. This orange chicken has become one of our absolute family favorites.